Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at eyes open network. The Online Plus is officially live on both Android and iOS. So this is massive. With Online Plus you can now just earn by using the app, just like Telegram and other social media platform. You can earn by using the app. You make a post, you scroll, you like, you comment, and you get paid. It is now possible with Online Plus. So why not join immediately? Locate the link in the video description. Do where to start immediately. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. This is Jennyscryptoclass, where you get airdrops through crypto related updates. So do well to subscribe and join our WhatsApp and the Telegram channel. So for you to register, it is very easy. Look at their let's look at their update. They say it is official. Online Plus is now live on Android and ISO. The new internet starts here, online.com. That is the new internet, and they say the wait is over. After months of development, testing and onboarding thousands of verified creators, Online Plus, the decentralized social app built on eyes open network. This is built on eyes open network. So if you are mining any of the eyes network, you have to make sure you also participate and download this app, start reacting, creating posts, and get paid. And they said from verified creator to Web3 community, everyone can now create, connect, and earn inside the new generation of social media, empowered by our ownership, transparency, and the ION token ecosystem. So this is where the next chapter begins. So this is their latest update. Coming to the comment section, people are happy about the development. They said be part of online, the creator, the first ecosystem. So use my link, make sure you use my link and my invitation code so that you can get monetized easily. Someone must invite you, if not you might not be able to get monetized. So locate my referral link in the video description. Do well to use that and get started. Now, how then do you download it? Let's go to the Play Store. It's very simple. Just come to Play Store and search for Online Plus. Once you search for it, this is the app, Online Plus, social media, crypto, and all that. Just click on it and download it. Now let's open. Once you download it, this is the interface. They say get started. Identity key name. This identity key name, we don't have any identity key name. We are still new to the app. So what we are going to do is to click on register. We need to register to have an account. Click on register, and now register with a passkey. No passwords to remember. Access your device. Stronger account protection. Passkey offer advanced protection against publishing. So make sure you create a passkey. Make sure you use something that you can easily remember. This is what will enable you to always log into your app. Is like a password. We use whatever thing that you know you can remember so that you can easily have access to your account. So I'm going to create a password now, a identity key, sorry. Now once you create your passkey, they said create passkey to sign into Online Plus. You are going to see your passkey here. You're going to see your passkey here. So what you are going to do is to click on continue, or you save another way. Just click on continue. So now the next thing is to register. Choose a strong password or create an account. So we are going to, your identity name that you just created. You put in your password and you confirm your password, and after that you hit on this continue. So let me do that. So once you set up, you are going to see something like this, your profile. You need to put in your name, your nickname, and the nickname the person that invited you. You are going to put it here. Also, this is where you write my invitation code. Without someone that invite you here, you cannot be able to log in. So you must use someone's invitation code so that you can access the app. So I'm going to write the person that invited me right now. So you are going to select your language. If you are Arabic, you choose Arabic. If you are English, if English is your language, you choose it. So you click on continue. Now they say discover creators. You are going to see creators is loading. Should we continue? Just click on continue. Now they say verify with password. Please confirm your password to continue. You need to confirm your password. Now turn on notification. If you want to turn on the notification to be receiving messages from this, you click on continue. Allow Online+ to send. Don't send, I don't want. Boom, this is the app. It's loading. Can you see that? The new online is finally on chain. I'm so proud. I am early adopter and believer too. Let's follow each other. Welcome to online. Did you see that? People are already making posts. About them. So make sure that you are active. So this is where you will now see, you react on people's comments, you make a post, you like, you retweet, all that thing. So here is where you are going to locate your wallet. You can see here wallet section. This is where you can locate your wallet, and this is where you can send and receive coins. Look at online open network here. You can receive open network and receive BNB. You can receive Bitcoin, Ethereum, all coin here. You can see your ION wallet. This is my ION. So right now the ION was ion coin that we have bridged initially on the C-Cent. You can also you can equally send your ION here and be able to use it instead of bridging and all that. So this is the chat. Back up your chat. Keep your messages saved by saving a secure copy. So this is for the chat. And if you go here, this is the home section, and this is your profile where you can locate your profile, the people that reacted to your post, your article, and every other thing. So it is advisable to put in your picture and you are good to go. So what are you waiting for? Download this app and start reacting. Be among the first people that use this app and start making money. See, this year, before this year runs, if you're active with your Online+, you'll get monetized easily. Join now, link in the video description. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.